Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 18th April 2022. So in this briefing, we will discuss about past 24 hours realized weather, temperature scenario, weather systems, forecast and warnings for next 5 days. So yesterday, heat wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over northwest Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and Himachal Pradesh, and heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets of Bihar and Jharkhand, and maximum temperatures were in the order of 42 to 44 degrees Celsius in most parts over West Rajasthan and Vidarbha, in some parts over Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, in isolated pockets over Gujarat State, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, into Odisha, and of the order of 40 to 42 degrees Celsius in many parts of East Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh and Marathwada, and in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Chhattisgarh and Telangana. As regards heavy rainfall, it has been realized in isolated pockets over Kerala and Mahe, Tamil Nadu, Assam and Meghalaya. In Kerala, in Kollam district, one or two stations reported heavy rainfall of the order of 7 to 8 centimeter. In Tamil Nadu, one of the district, Kala Kurichi, reported 7 centimeter, and in Assam and Meghalaya met subdivision in Meghalaya, Cherrapunji reported 8 centimeter. So this is the heavy rainfall realized during past 24 hours. Highlights of today's briefing are: number one, heat wave spells in isolated pockets likely over parts of northwest, central, and east India on 18th and 19th April 2022, and likely to abate thereafter, that is, during the next 2 days. And heavy rainfall likely to continue over Assam and Meghalaya during the next 5 days. And thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds activity very likely over western Nepal region and Rajasthan plains during 19th to 21st April 2022. So these are the synoptic systems. So WD is now lies over central parts of Iran and neighborhood, and also this cyclone circulation lies over this Haryana, South Haryana and neighborhood, and one cyclone circulation lies over this southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of coastal Tamil Nadu, and there is a cyclone circulation over central parts of South Arabian Sea. So these are the synoptic systems, and also strong southwesterly winds are prevailing from Bay of Bengal to northeast India. So maximum temperature forecast. So no significant change in maximum temperature, very likely over northwest, central and east India, South Maharashtra and Gujarat state during next 48 hours, and then fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. And no significant change in maximum temperature, very likely over rest parts of the country. Now go to the heat wave forecast. So heat wave conditions in isolated pockets very likely to prevail over Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar on 18th, and over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, North Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Gangetic, West Bengal on 18th and 19th, and over Jharkhand during 18th to 20th April 2022. And they are likely to abate thereafter due to the approaching western disturbance, wind conditions and cloudiness over some parts of the areas. Now go to the rainfall, thunderstorm forecast and warnings. So under the influence of the Scissor over southwest Bengal of North Tamil Nadu coast and low tropospheric levels is scattered to fairly widespread rainfall, accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds very likely over Kerala during the next 5 days, and isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds over Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana during the next 5 days, and isolated heavy rainfall likely over Tamil Nadu and Kerala today, that is 18th April 2022, and under the influence of strong southwesterly winds from Bay Bengal to northeastern states at low tropospheric levels. So there is a possibility of fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds very likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and Bengal and West Bengal during the next 5 days, and isolated heavy rainfall likely over Assam, Meghalaya during the next 5 days, and thunderstorm wind speed reaching for 50 to 60 kmph, and hailstorm at isolated places also very likely over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Bengal and West Bengal on 19th April, and isolated to scattered rainfall, thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds activities very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal and Odisha during next 5 days. Now go to the western disturbance. So under the influence of a western disturbance, light scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during next 5 days, and over Uttarakhand during 20th to 22nd, and light As well rainfall were likely over Punjab during the next 5 days, over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi during 19 to 22nd April 2022. And thus the storm at isolated places very likely over Punjab on 18th and west of Uttar Pradesh on 20th and 21st, over East Uttar Pradesh on 21st and Rajasthan during 18 to 21st April 2022. And the strong dust ranging winds, speed reaching 25 to 35 km is very likely at isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh on 19th and 20th April 2022. So accordingly, these are the graphics format of the warning. So you can see that heat wave symbols has been given for next 2 days over parts of northwest, central and east India, and thunderstorm activity for today and tomorrow it is given for northeast, east and south peninsular India, and thereafter from 19th onward they are given for these parts of northwest India, and also this for South Peninsular India and also for East India and Northeast India. So the spell of this Northwest India likely to continue during 19th to 21st, and on 22nd thunderstorm activity like the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So as already mentioned, and dust raging winds also expected over these parts of Northwest India as already mentioned, that is Rajasthan, Punjab and parts of West Uttar Pradesh, etc. So for more information, you can visit our website, that is mosam.imb.co.in. Now go to the impact part. So impact is expected due to the isolated thunderstorm, lightning, squall and hailstorm activity over Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Somaliland, West Bengal and Sikkim on 18th and 19th April, and over Jammu Kashmir on 19th and over Uttarakhand on 20th and 21st April 2022. So these are the some generalized impact. You can refer them, and they are also available on our social media platforms, etc. So, for example, impact is expected strong wind, hail may damage plantation, horticulture, and standing crops. Hail may injure people and cattle at open places, partial damage to vulnerable structures due to the strong winds, etc. And as regards action suggested, stay indoors, close windows and doors, and avoid travel if possible during the time of thunderstorm activities. And take safe shelters. Do not take shelter under trees during the time of occurrence of thunderstorm activities. Do not lie on concrete floors and do not lean against concrete walls and unplug electrical appliances. Immediately get out of water bodies. Keep away from all objects that conduct electricity. Farming operations may be suspended during the event of thunderstorm activities. So these all are actions suggested during the time of thunderstorm. You can follow them for your betterment. Thank you for today's briefing. We will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Briefing. Till then, bye bye.